Hello, I am Dr. Darnita L. Payden, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. Today, I am doing an unboxing. I've done one of these on my channel before when I unboxed my Mac. Today, I am unboxing the Gourmia air fryer, and it is massive. When I show you the box, I thought maybe it came with a family of air fryers, and I got it from Costco, and my receipt says that it costs $42.39. And for those of you all who have seen my video on things I'm no longer doing, and that included shopping, I'm still not. It is an early birthday gift. So happy early birthday to me. And so let's get to it. Okay, this is it. It is huge. And I weighed it. It weighs about 8 to 9 pounds. And I'm going to take it out of the box for you, but I have it over here to the side because it is super duper heavy. Pack it right nice so it doesn't get damaged. So we'll just put that to the side. Then, oh, okay. This is the big boy. It comes with some plastic. Okay, very nice. Recycle that. We'll recycle that. Oh, okay. Now we finally actually get to. So hold on, I'm gonna need to pick this up with two hands because it's just that heavy. Okay. Here it is. Again, it's massive. It covers me. It is huge. So I'm gonna move the box. And again, I'll just show. This is the box in case you missed it. Have some nice pictures on there for you to see. Also comes with, oh, okay, it gives you a little booklet, and we'll explore that in a little bit. Wrapping off, and it was funny, I was watching a video of an unboxing of this, and the gentleman said, oh, this seems easy. I don't need to read the instructions. And he went to use it, hadn't taken the plastic off, hadn't taken the tape off, which I'm going to do right now. You see it comes taped up on both sides. And so he said, oh, we'll just power this up. And he proceeded to plug it up and almost cause a fire. So when they give you instructions, even though it may seem intuitive, go ahead and read the instructions. Thankfully, he didn't burn his house down. So I am taking the tape off. I mean, this thing is massive. I want to show you in comparison because I have another air fryer that was also a gift, and it is much, much smaller. So let me put this over here to the side for a second, and I want to show you the one that I currently have. This is a Toastmaster, and isn't it pretty? And it's rose gold, and it's very simple. It only has two knobs, one for the temperature and one for the time. And you just pull this basket out, and of course it has the cord in the back, and you just pull this basket out, and I'm going to show you for comparison. This is the size of this basket, and I generally just do when I'm having my carb day, french fries or homemade chicken nuggets. That's about all that I do in this basket, and it'll hold about 40 fries. So let's put that down, and let me show you this one and this one. And it's a good thing that I work out so that I can raise these up. You can see the massive different size on this one. And so I'm going to put this one away, and then I'm going to compare the size of the baskets as well. So put this one back down right here so you can see it, and get this basket again, remember? And then we're going to take out the basket for the other one so that you can see it. Okay, massive. It's massive. So this is the size of this basket versus this. This could almost fit inside this without the handle. Oh, look. Yeah, we're going to be cooking up a storm, and it comes with that. You can see, I'll hold it this way and let you see how big it is. And this is the tray that it comes with. And then there's this. So you could probably do some multi-level cooking there. And then there's the inside of it, the non-stick of it all, so that your food does not burn. And I didn't want to forget to show you the booklet that comes with it. So this is the owner's manual. And again, I always say, read your owner's manual. It shows some delicious looking chicken there. And it has some fries. Gives you the table of contents so that you can go to right to the place you want to see, and it gives you all the warnings. Actually read the warnings, people. It keep you from burning your house down. And then it just gives you how you actually use the unit and all of the doohickeys and doodads and all the digital of it all. So it gives you the display of what you should see, and then it gives you a preset chart, because this has preset cooking for certain types of food before first use. This is the one that the guy on YouTube didn't read. He didn't wash it either. I was like, ew. You always want to wash your new appliances because you don't know what they've been through until they got to you. So yeah, and then it just tells you how to use your air fryer. And let's see what else it wants you to know. Continuing to use your air fryer, continuing to use your air fryer. And then finally, some cooking tips and cleaning and maintenance. And then coming to the, oh, did they tell you about storage, troubleshooting, and of course that all important warranty. And this comes with a 1-year warranty. So we shall see. You get that. And then they give you a recipe book. Ooh. With, I assume that's fish. I hate fish, so that won't be happening. Fish and French fries. Okay, and okay, then they break it up into breakfast and snacks and dessert and cooking chart, and they give you how to cook your veggies. Let's just go and see what they have. I would go straight to the heavy carb sour cream coffee cake. That looks so good. Let's see what else they have in here. Chicken tostadas. Ooh, chicken with orange and olives. That sounds really good. Glazed steak bundles, honey harissa chicken with crispy chickpeas. I love chickpeas. Inside out dumplings. Let's see. They have, okay, I'm in the fish parts. I'm just going right on past that. Butter roasted radishes. Okay, so they give you crispy glazed cabbage steaks. I love cabbage. Maple glazed butternut squash. I would probably just do the butternut squash without the maple. Pesto potato wedges. Okay, so they give you, oh, barbecue onion rings. Let me know if you have this and what recipes you've tried. They have bacon cheddar jalapeno poppers. And then they just give you cooking times in the back. And let's see what else they have in here. Ooh, buttery shortbread cookies. Okay, they are super carb loading. I tell you, where's the chicken? Where's the, okay, they did have some, okay, they have some, okay, there's some bread, not very low carb friendly. Bacon wrapped dates. Okay. Oh, simple roasted carrots. I could get with those. And I'm just looking at it. Did they give us any meat? Do they give us any meat? Like me, I'll just basically be doing chicken. Yeah. Not okay. I guess that was it for the chicken. So make your own recipes. And they give you a warning. Now, you know, every time they put a warning in a product, it's because someone has done it. And so this one says, do not place the air fryer on the range top, stove top, or any cooking surface, or inside a heated oven. Only use the air fryer on a stable, horizontal, heat resistant, and level surface. So you know someone did this. That's why they had to put it in there. And then they just let you know that it's going to smell, you know, that you're burning off the chemical smell. And that's it. They just say if you have any problems, to reach out to them. So I already have it on, and you just do that by pressing the power button and it'll turn off. Push it again and it turns on. And I need to preheat for 4 minutes. And then I'll press start. And it does make a whirling sound. It's not too loud, but it's much louder. My other one is almost silent. So we'll let this preheat and then we'll be back. And so it counts down, and there is a burning smell, but it's not overpowering. I'm prompted to add the food. I've added 5 chicken thighs on the bottom and 5 more on top of the rack. This is the completed product, and I cooked it for about 20 minutes at 350, and I've already sampled. It's delicious. It's very juicy as well. So this is the aftermath of a couple of batches of the chicken thighs. There is some caked on, and there's the grease that pooled at the bottom. And those are my tongs right there. So we shall see how long cleanup takes. Cleanup was super easy. Hot soapy water, microfiber cloth. All of the gunk came off. Took less than 5 minutes, so that is a bonus. When I'm finished cooking everything, I will put a few into a sandwich bag after they have cooled and rested, and then I'll put those into aluminum foil, and I'll put the weight on them and what the contents is. In this case, BT means boneless thigh, and then I'll do that for all of them. Put all of those into a freezer bag, into the freezer, and just defrost as needed. Well, there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was a fun one to make, the unboxing of the Gourmia 7-quart air fryer, and I'm grateful that I did not burn the house down. Please share this video and help someone with this content, and I would be so grateful if you did. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and if no one has told you how awesome you are today, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.